Hello everyone, how are you? Mr.Zaki with you. And GAT, we have questions. We want to solve these questions from GAT or Qudrat, Qiyas in English. So we have this problem now, number 14. A factory produces 400 lamps daily. If the probability that the lamp is defective 0.02, then the expected number of good lamps produced daily is what? How I find the answer? Because if he said 400 lamps, but probability that the lamp effective 0.02. How I find the complementary? You subtract from 1 minus 0.02, then equals 0.98. So I find the probability of the lamp produces. So you multiply 0.98 times 400. What is the answer? It is 392. So the answer is B. I have another ways to find this, to find the answer of this problem. I can find alarm of defective by what? By multiply it of 400, then you get it. It is what? It is 8. And you subtract 400 minus 8 equals 392. So the answer is B. Okay. Now number 15. If 3 times of a number is 6, then quarter of this number is what? Now we must to understand the meaning of a question to solve, and you get correct answer. He said if 3 times of a number, then write 3x. Right here is 3x. Where is it? 3x. Then quarter of this. 3x. 3 times of number is 6. 3x equal to 6. Then we find the number. X, how much? What is the answer of x? Can you help me? X divided by 2, then 6 divided by 2. What is the answer? Oh, sorry, divided by 3, sorry. Divided by 3, then the answer is what? It is what? It is 2, right? Now he asked, then a quarter of this number. He wanted the quarter. You multiply by 1 over 4 or divided by 2 directly. So time by 1 over 4, it is half. So the answer is what? Half. So number what? Number B. Is it clear? Right. Now number 16. Find the sum of the numbers from 1 to 100. I have a rule here, a formula to substitute from 1 to 200. What is it? It is the sum. If I want to get the sum, I write in plus 1 over 2. So only substitute. I have here 200 numbers. Then you put it 200 and in plus 1 it is 201 divided by 2. You simplify it. 1, it is here 100, then you multiply 100 times 201, it is 2100. Right? What is the answer here? It is number. What is the answer, my student? It is what? It is D. Right? Good. Number 17. The least number form from 5 digits and divisible by 2, 3, 5, 6, 9. We want the number, the least number formed from 5 digits and divisible by 2, 3, 5, 6, 9 all together. Okay, we test now all numbers. I have 10,000. It is divisible by 3. No, it is not divisible by 3. Only by 2, by 5, yes. Okay, the second one. Oh, the third one. When 10,005, is it divisible by 2? No, because how I know divisible by 2? If the first or if the unit is even number. Number D, it is not divisible by 9. How I know it is difficult? It is divisible by 9. If you add the number, then you add all digits, then you get the sum. It's 9, 18, 27, 36. That is divisible in 9 by 9. So the correct answer is B, because it is divisible by 2, by 5, by 3, by 6, by 9. So the answer is B. Right? Good. We will go to the number 18. Which of the following questions is correct? Which one? Okay, try it. Try it. is 4 plus 1 is 5. The first one is not correct. Okay, number B. 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5. Oh, it is not 4. It is not correct. Okay, try. 1 times 2, it is what? You must start with multiplication. Don't mistake, please. If you add first, then you get the same answer. So be careful to find the multiplication first, then you add. So here 1 multiplied 2 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4, not 6. It is wrong. Number D, if you multiply 2 times 1 is 2, plus 2, oh, it is 4, right? So the answer is D. Do you get this point? How I solve this problem? I want to solve with me also to know how I solve the equals T, then the number is how I solve this problem. How I solve it. Now he said 15% of a number equals 30. Then the number what? I put it only 15%, that's 15x over 100 equals 30. You see? Then you multiply it by 100, then 15x equals 100 times 30, it is 3,000. Divided by 15, then you get the answer. So x equals 30 divided by 15 is 20, right? Or 2, it is 200. So the answer is what? It is what? It is C. Are you with me, my student? Are you with me? Solaf, Siba, Nora, are you with me? Yes, good. Number 20 now. Which of the following numbers lie between 0.07 and 0.08? What is the number between them? It is what? It is 0.075. So the answer is B. Number 21. Number 21 now. In the opposite figure, a circle of radius length 8 centimeters. Find the area of colored part. I have a rule also. I can use a rules. He wanted the area of this. This, because I have 45 and all the sum angles of circle is 36. When divided by 45, it is 8. So this 1/8, like this. So can the area it is, what is the area of circle? Circle of area of circle is by r squared. But I have here 1/8, so divided by 8. What is the radius? Now he said the radius is 8. So I put it by 8 squared over 8. Then I simplify 8 with first of them here 8. So the answer is 8 by. So the answer is B. Is it clear? Right. So we will go to 22. If the ratio between the length and the width of a rectangle 2:1, then ratio between the length and the perimeter is what? I have here the ratio between the length and the width of rectangle 2:1. Then the ratio between the length and the perimeter. What is perimeter of rectangle? How I find the perimeter of rectangle? You multiply the length by 2 and the width by 2. So here put it, multiply it here by 2. So I suppose because I have 2, I put it here x, 2x and 1x. So 2x plus 1x equals 6x, right? Because when you multiply 2 times 2, 4, and 2 multiply 1 is 2 equals 2x. So the perimeter is 6x. Now the length is here what? Is here 2x. So I put it 2x to 6x. Then you simplify it by 2. Then x equal to 1 to 3. If you want to solve in this way. So the answer is A. I have another way. If you have 2 to 1, this is the length, then he said perimeter, you multiply it by 2. So here 2, it is 4, and 2, it is 1 multiplied 2, it is 2. So when you add, the perimeter is 6. And I have the length is 2 to 6. And simplify it, it is 1 to what? To 3. So the answer is A. Now 23 and 24, 25. The opposite figure shows the expenses of a family which it is monthly income at 12,000. How much does it spend on the residence? Yes, I have here, what about the sum of angle of all circles? It is what? It is 36. Only, sorry, 360 degrees. 360 degrees. And you subtract from here. I have 40, 44, 90, 70, 36. Only you added and subtracted from the all angles, the sum of angles. It is minus. When you add, then you get the angle is 214, 40, it is 120, right? It is 120. How I find now 120? I only see division 30. If I want to find a fraction, I said 120 over 360, then you simplify it, you get 1 over 3. 1 over 3. Right? Now, I find the cost of the residence by multiply it the 12,000. Here I have 1 over 3. You multiply it the monthly income. Here 12,000. When you multiply equals, after simplifying, then you get it 4,000. So the answer is number A. You see? Number 24. All numbers divisible by 4 and 15 are divisible by what? All numbers divisible by 4 and 15 divisible by what? Any mix of factor, it is what? No, not A. Because all numbers divisible by 4 and 15 are divisible by what? Here divisible by 2 and here 2 and 5. Any mix here of the factor between them. So like 60. 60, it is divisible by 4 and 15. 12, 13, 10, 6. The answer is here 6. So the answer is 6. All number divisible by 2 is 2 times 2. And 15 is 3 by 5. So we have it, the numbers. I write it the number. Okay, I will show you. Between 4 and 15, or like this 15, it is 6, the first one. Also 10 and 30. Also 12 divided by 3 and by 4. 60 divided by all number divisible by 4 and 15 divisible by 6, 10, 30, 12, 60. So any mix of the factors, it is A, 6. Like this. 25. If the diameter length of a wheel is 60 centimeters, then what is the distance it covers after 15 rules? So how I find the answer of this question? The perimeter of the wheel, I have a rule, 2 pi time radius. 2 pi, I write now, 2 pi time r. But here, give me diameter. So I don't need diameter, I need radius. So I divide it by 2. So I write 2 by time 60 here, it is what? Will be 30. Then you multiply 2 times 30 equals what? 60 pi. So here 60 pi. Then the distance, you multiply it because he said 15 rules. 15 rules. So you multiply it, 60 pi time 15 equals what? 60 times 15 equals 900 centimeter. Right? 900 pi. Don't forget pi. So I write by centimeter. Good. I am happy to teach you, my student, Mr. Zaki, with you, and thank you for hearing or for listening me and understand the problems. Thank you and goodbye. Bye-bye.